Zereno is now the captain of Akari as well, so leadership in for her. Riza Nogales getting the first touch for Zeus Coffee.
For Riza Nogales, remember, who struggled with some injuries.
Yes. And also knowing the fact that Zeus Coffee did not have a complete lineup in the Invitational, that was really her opportunity to step up. Lefty hit right there for Jovelyn Gonzaga, and Zeus Coffee is off.
Starts how you finish for Akari. You're excited that they're a more complete team in this conference.
Not the best first ball there from Justina Zareno. Alba wasn't able to put it up anymore. A 3-0 blitz here for the Thunderbells. A better pass right there. Ellie Soyud going to zone 1.
Well, that's a way to wake the team up.
But at the same time, she has a good connection with her team and said that off-court, they're all good vibes, and on-court, they mean business. First game of the conference with a strong statement. Let's see how that plays out. Meg Sanuri.
Such a big luxury as Fifi Sharma also comes from that Alas Pilipinas program. The hosts of the FIVB Women's World Championship. Zeus Coffee executing with that slide. The counter will come from Sed Domingo. No more chase for the Thunderbells.
Free up actually the outside hitters.
Well, Sed Domingo is a finals MVP.
Yeah.
That's one heck of a threat to have here in the PVL. Ginny Arroyo getting a touch. Sharma to set things up. And now it's AC Minor. The rally continues. Chenny Tagaod. Push to the open. Nice blocking by Akari. Flo Mondoñedo says, let's end this.
That's just, but you appreciate the energy early on in the first set.
That's how we would like to open things up in a new conference. Ceballos, not the best of sets for her. Alba had to chase that one. Soyud scoring again.
Well, you know, it has she
The past 2 years. Kasi napilayan yan eh. At some point si Ellie Soyud. Pero bago yun, maganda na pinapakita niya. And now she's resurfacing once more. That's a nice block by Sed Domingo.
called the touch.
Lead back with AC Minor and company. Chenny Tagaod's turn. No more dig from Ginny Arroyo.
And look at where she is right now.
There's the serve by Chenny. A good one at that. Giving up a free ball. Alba as the attacker! We call that a super spike!
Super spike!
That response from Gretchen Saldones and company gave us a deadlock a while ago. It's now 8-7. That fell short for Sed Domingo. And a two-woman block for Zeus Coffee. I remember back in her UE days, nakakarami rin yan. Si Riza Nogales in terms of her blocking. Jov Gonzaga, sharp cross. Signature na yun eh. A 3-point lead, matching the largest in the game for the Thunderbells. D-ball, that was low. By Akari.
Well, we've covered a lot of games, Migs, and we know it's different when you're actually coaching in the PVL than in the collegiate, in the UAAP.
Yeah. You did hear the leadership coming from her players as well. And speaking of leaders, there you go. Gretchen Saldones answering. There was also a net touch by Justin Nazareno.
Yeah, next.
8-11.
Good serve.
Jovelyn going to the middle. Ball goes to Noringo. Di na mahabol ni Marcian. Balik tayo sa ating Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays.
Yeah.
Although next week we have a Monday game. So everybody just check out our website to make sure of the schedule. There is...
That's one for a poster shot.
Oh yes, I hope our photographers got it. Great save by Mondoñedo. This is a free ball. A lot of time for Mars. Sending it to Fifi. Alas Pilipinas connection.
Yeah.
So it helps out na may mga kasama siya mula sa Alas Pilipinas.
Yeah.
Longer time with them. Better chemistry. Arroyo at the middle. Put up by Soltones. Fifi again. Chinny tries again.
Wow.
There you go. Two blockers, no problem.
Ginny Arroyo, really the way.
And she's been at it for the past couple of conferences. A big time factor. Especially in the on tour, kung saan naging 5-set queens ang Zeus Coffee.
Yeah.
This is going to be a point off the block for Ely Soyud. 12-14, Fifi Sharma. AC Minor. Dug up smoothly by Gretzel. Good chance here. Oh! Was it in? It was outside. An attack point for Chinny Arroyo. Good try though by Ely and also Sed. 15-12. Chased by Mars. Chenny Tagaod. Dug up by Chinny Arroyo.
Good save.
Gretzel from the back. It's a safety hit. Good defense by Hazareno. Soyud. Block coverage right there. Kabila naman. And it's a point for Chenny Tagaod.
That's a great set by Mars Alba. Really, it was a fast-paced.
Celebrate the invincibility of volleyball in our country. As we come back to you live from the Inato Center in Montalban. This is our first match for the PBL Reinforced Conference. Great effort by Arroyo to keep that alive. And a drop by Fiola Ceballos.
Go through injuries and other issues.
Oh, that's an ace by Chenny Tagaod.
She wanted to do that side spin.
Oh, back-to-back aces for Chenny Tagaod.
Momentum. You know, she couldn't stop herself because oh, they called it in.
Wow, that's 3 straight aces for Chenny Tagaod. That's the lead, 18-17.
Just like that.
One more for Chenny.
Another good one.
Ceballos is pushing that ball. That really is her expertise.
You know,
Yes.
I mean,
And all around, may
all
depensa
around,
rin.
yeah, agree.
It's middle versus middle. Riza Nogales prevailing. Just soar.
And for me, mentally, if you get past your injury, that's a big thing.
Yes.
Good save.
Ceballos, ayan na naman. Lagay-lagay lang para kay Fiola. Really is a different set of setters for the Chargers in this conference. Down the line. Immediate impact for Camille.
They probably talked about it before.
Here's Fiola Ceballos. Sharma sending it to the back. Just had to make sure that she was going to place it nicely. 20-21. Ideal part of the rotation for Mars Alba. Arroyo using her left and getting the better against Ely Soyud. Riza Nogales taking her turn. Good first pass. Bit of a tight set there, but it still worked out for Ely Soyud.
That was when Gonzaga reacted because she thought Minor was moving. So you wanna, if you're moving, you wanna go for that ball.
Yeah, a split-second delay will really hurt you. Great blocking by Zeus Coffey.
Well, you can see for Zeus, they're bringing in Kate Santiago to the fold. They want to finish it.
It's Kate who will attack. Drop ball,
Oh, that's
saved.
good, yeah.
That goes to the other side. Joust. Marcy calculates. Chenny. It goes down for Chenny Tagaod. What a set number 1 for her. 6 points.
1 point. 1 point game.
Service by Fifi. Back set. Push by Chinny. Chenny again. Yes, ma'am. We are tied 23-all.
That was a great.
To open things up in the Reinforced Conference. Santiago at the middle. That's a fireball right there.
That's why she's there, you know. Coach Jerry.
Ely Soyud.
Good serve.
Santiago again. Gretzel at the back. Chenny Tagaod, the hot hand will score.